This is a blower unit which I have extracted from an air cooler. So I am going to use this as a fan. You can see this is the outlet vent. This is the impeller which is going to rotate, and this area is going to be the air suction part. So with this I can use it as a fan, which helps me to replace a fan. I'm going to turn it on and you can see it's working. So like a tower fan, I'm going to use it, or I can use this as an exhaust fan in windows. So in summer it helps me to throw out hot air and helps me to pull in some fresh cool air. This is a demonstration purpose. And using this cloth to show you the force of the wind coming out. I hope you can see the force. The force of the fan is quite appreciable. Thanks for watching this video.